All right, let's take a look at question 2. It says use an area model to explain the product of 4 and 6/10 and 3. Write the product in standard form, word form, and expanded form. I think a lot of us might have gotten hung up on the words the product. All product means is the answer to a multiplication question. Product is the name we give to the answer when we multiply, just like we call the answer to addition a sum, the answer to subtraction a difference, the answer to division a quotient. The answer to multiplication is the product. So when we say the product of 4.6 and 3, we're really saying take 4.6 and multiply it times 3. Okay? So I'm not going to show you the answer to this, but I will give you another number. I'm going to take 2.3 and I am going to multiply it by 4. Okay, so in order to do this, I draw my area model, which is just a really big box. I am multiplying by 4, and the other number I'm multiplying has 2 digits. So I've got 2 is part of that number, and then 3/10 is the other number. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 groups of 2 ones is 8, and 4 groups of 3/10 is 12/10, or 1.2. That's the first part, and then I have to combine those parts together. So 8 plus 1.2. You'll notice that I am choosing to line up my ones because 8 is the same as 80/10. That's another way. And then I have to add those two parts together. So I get 9.2. Now that's my product. This right here is also my standard form. If I was going to write this in words, I would say that this is 9, because I have a 9 in the ones place. We use the word and for the decimal, so 9 and then I have the number 2, but that 2 is in the 10th place, so I have to use that place value word. So 9 and 2/10 becomes the words I use to label that. Okay, then I have to write this in expanded form, and what that means is I'm going to take the same answer, standard form, word form, and I'm expanding it. I'm making it bigger. So I have a 9, but where's my 9? Well, my 9 is in the ones place, and then I add that to my next digit, which is a 2, but my 2 is in the 10th place, and I can mark that as 2 times 1 in the 10ths, or I could also choose to make that be 2 times 1 in the 10ths, and I could use that fraction. Either way is correct, but this is standard. This is, of course, words, and this is my expanded form. So product means multiply. You are multiplying these two numbers using an area model like this, and then you have to write your answer in these 3 different ways. Good luck!